take a moment to analyze this diagram just to get familiar with it. The first step for finding the correct wiring for the inductance motor is to find the continuity between all of the wires. And that's when you're going to start finding your pairs, such as your T6 and your T3, your T1, your T4, your T2, and your T5. And then you're also going to find your trio, which is going to be 7, 8, and 9. These are also known as your phases or your coils. Our third step would be to check the resistance between all the windings. All windings should have equal resistance between them. If you're seeing a low, medium, and high resistance, then you may be dealing with a motor that has been overheated. Our fourth step would be to apply voltage across two of the phases, such as T7 and T9. You'll notice two of the pairs, such as T6, T3, T1, T4. Two of the pairs will be 10% of the voltage, and one of the pairs will be 1% of the voltage. This means that one of the pairs, specifically the one with the 1%, will be connected to the phase that you are not applying voltage to. Then through process of elimination, you can find which phase connects to which pairs. But we're still left with one problem, and that's to find the direction of the pairs. At this point, for example, we know that T1 and T4 are aligned with T7, but we don't know what order to put them in. We solve this by once again applying voltage, but this time we check for an increase in voltage. If the increase in voltage occurs, then it was wired correctly. If there's a decrease, then it was wired incorrectly. When we checked for the voltages, we noticed that there was a high number and a low number. And this helped us solve which number was the 1 and which number was the 4. The 1 was the high number and the 4 was the low number. Here's a brief view of the motor running with its markings after we found them. The markings work just the same as the diagram. I hope you liked my video and thank you for watching.